with the blue one because it's the only one that didn't match one of the colors. I'm like, none of this should ever match.
So this one is crazy. It's like a multicolored
No,
thing.
he would have worn that.
Yeah.
He would have worn that.
So I.
Cats. You know, they actually sold promotionally when 6 Doctor premiered. They sold the actual cat pin. They made a run of them. He wore one on the show, and like. Someday I'm gonna try to find one of those. Yes, I need to take photos of this because your doctor was more like him than anyone. You're the reason there's a second guy.
I love this stuff.
Oh, good. That's over here.
I love
This is
how
fantastic.
people are so creative.
Oh yes.
What they have?
Let's see if we can pull a good frame.
Alright, ready? Smile. Say, timey-wimey. Oh wait, am I on video? How did I get on video? That was an accident. There we go.
There you go.
And